What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the last time we have talked about sets, and in this time we're gonna talk about dictionary. Before we demonstrate dictionary, let's take a look at the feature and the expression of dictionary. At first, we use curly bracket to enclose item in dictionary, and an item has one key and one responding value that expressed as a pair. For example, dictionary 1 equals Python and 2 equals Lativa and 3 equals Go. There are 3 items in this dictionary, and each item has one key and one responding value, and we use column to separate key and value. Alright, let's demonstrate dictionary. At first, we are going to create a dictionary. For example, dictionary A equals curly bracket 1 Harden and 2 Giannis and 3 Jokic. And we print dictionary A, execute it. Alright, as you can see, there are 3 items in this dictionary, and each item has one key and one corresponding value, and the value is Harden, and key 2 value is Giannis, and key 3 value is Jokic. Alright, let's create another dictionary. Dictionary B equals name Harden and number 13 and head CM 196, and we print dictionary B, execute it. Alright, as you can see, the value in dictionary can also include integer and string, even sets, tuple, list, it's okay. Well, let's take a look accessing item in dictionary. For example, following the previous example, dictionary B, we print dictionary B, and what if we want to get the key numbers value? What should we do? We type number and execute it. Yeah, as you can see, we get the value 13, and print dictionary B, and what if we want to get the key names value? We just type name and execute it, and we get the value Harden. Well, let's take a look at and change in dictionary. For example, we are going to change name, number, and head CM in this dictionary. What should we do? Dictionary B, name equals Jokic, and dictionary B, number equals 15, and dictionary B, head CM equals 213, and we print dictionary B, execute it. Alright, as you can see, the 3 values in 3 items has changed. And let's go on. What if we want to add another item in this dictionary? What should we do? For example, dictionary B team equals nuggets, and we print dictionary B again. The new item team and the nuggets has been added to this dictionary. Well, let's go on and take a look. Remove and clear in dictionary. For example, we set a new dictionary C equals 1, 10, 2, 20, and 3, 30, 4, 40, and 5, 15. And what if we want to remove the item 3 and get this value? What should we do? We just use the pop method. For example, print dictionary C top item 3 and execute it, and we print dictionary C again. As you can see, the item 3, 3 and 13 has been removed, and we can also use pop item method. Let's see what will happen. If we use pop items method, we can get last 4 items includes key and value. And in the other hand, we use clear method. Let's see what will happen. Dictionary C clear method, and we print dictionary C. Or as you can see, the dictionary C becomes an empty dictionary. And what if we want to delete whole dictionary? What should we do? We use delete function to dictionary C, and we check the dictionary C again. Print dictionary C, execute it. Alright, you get name error because we have deleted dictionary C. So name dictionary C is not defined. Alright, it is very simple, right? Today we have talked about creating dictionary and access, add, change, remove, clear in dictionary. If you like this video, please keep thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.